true? Drink! I don't feel anything. Buttercup, you take this one.
Me? I don't feel anything either. What about you, Bubs?
Bubbles. Yes. Yes, you did. Yay! And we saved the Jar District!
Yay!
Thank you, girls. The city of Poundville truly appreciates it.
Jars forever!